Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about browser commands and browser navigation commands. Okay, what exactly the browser commands we have in our Selenium Java and also browser navigation commands. These two topics we are going to discussing into this particular video. Okay, first browser commands. If we say browser command, these commands are used to perform an action on a browser itself. It is basically commands are used to perform an action on the browser itself. Okay. What are the things we are going to perform inside the browser? That all we can able to call it as a browser actions. Okay. Browser command actions also we can call it. Okay. What are the things we can able to do in that browser? We can able to say opening browser, one we can do, and closing browser we can able to do, right? And also we can do for title, that entire current browser which exactly the title is presented, that we can able to get it. And another one is that focused browser focused URL we can able to get, and page source also we can able to get. Okay, these are the commands we can able to get from the browser. Okay, and also there is one more thing like a close and quit. Okay, close and quit. Close is basically to closing the current focused browser, and quit, it will quit that all the browsers which is opened by driver. Okay, web driver. First we can see here, now I'm going to create a new file, tc07 underscore, sorry, commands. Okay, now we can create for, we can do for WebDriver. First create the WebDriver and make it the object of that, and we can need to provide the Chrome driver. Okay, then we need to use a driver dot get. This is required for URL. Okay, and now for this I'm going to use for this particular driver. Okay, this is browser. Then I'm going to use for thread.sleep to wait for 1000 milliseconds. Okay, what are the commands we told? Get is basically to loading that specific URL in the browser. Okay, specified, which is the specified URL you have, that specified URL it will load it. Okay, these are one, and another one is basically to get the title. Okay, get the title we can use for title plus and driver dot, we have method called get title and get current URL. Okay, and you have for page source. Okay, these are the three we have. Current URL, which is we pass that URL, that one, and page source for entire pages, and title is basically to get that title. Where we can able to get the title is basically this one, automation testing practice. Okay, if you inspect this element, if you go for up in the header section, there is a title tag. Okay, title tag, where it is here, title is the right, automation testing practice. This is the one, it is presented here. Okay, we are going to get that particular title. Okay, title. Okay, then what else we can get? We can get for current URL which you have passed, right? That URL need to be get it. Okay. Driver dot get current URL. It will give you for that focused URL only. Okay. We need to get for page source also. We can get it, right? Page source plus a driver dot get page source. Page source, how you can able to see? If you inspect this one, you can see that view page source. Okay. If you click this one, this is the view page source. This entire information you can able to get it into that particular place. Okay. Our console location we can get it. Okay. And in the final we can see for quit and close. Close, I can say current browser window, and quit is basically to close all the browsers window. Okay, close I will show you for when we are going to use for multiple windows handle. Okay, quit you already know that because we already used for that. Okay, driver dot quit. Okay, that you already know that it will close that browser. Okay, if we use and we can able to get in their information into the console location. So it is giving for title and it is giving for URL which we pass it, and it is paste for page source also. Okay, how much console we can able to get it, that much it will say. Okay, you can see right, page source it is started here and then it is ended with the down. Okay, up to here it is provided, and quit is basically quit that entire browser. Okay, next concept is we are going to see for browser navigation commands. Okay, browser navigation commands. What are the things we have? Driver dot navigate. Okay, one it is there. Navigate dot two, you can say. Okay, both are. I'll tell you what exactly. Okay, navigate dot back and navigate dot forward. Okay, and navigate dot refresh. Okay, these are the commands we have. Okay, and first one, if you say right, navigate dot two. I'll remove this. Navigate.to is basically work like a which we are using for driver.get. Okay, this is also it will work as a similar like it will do for URL navigation. Okay, both are same. We can comment on this page source. Okay, thread dot sleep I'll use for 2000 milliseconds. Okay, then I will use for driver.get again. Okay, I'll use for google.com. Save, and again I'm running. Okay, before navigate.to running purpose, I'm going to use for this. Now you can see right, again Google is loaded. Okay, now driver dot navigate dot to, you can see here the syntax over here. Loading a new web page in the current browser window. This is done using the HTTP post operator, and then method will be blocked until the load is completed. This will follow the redirection issue either by the server or as a meta directory from within the written HTML. Should be a meta directory. Rest of all duration of the time best until the timeout is over. Since should be usually it will be free easily. Okay. If you use for 2 and I'm going to use for same and I'm going to make it here. Okay. head.sleep, and I'll use for this URL itself. Running. Difference will learn also. Okay. First, test automation practice, and second, Google, and then test. Now, if you see right, three actions are same. It's a no difference. First one, get is loaded for the same browser. Get again it is loaded for another URL, but navigate to also it is same browser it is navigated. Then what is the purpose of navigation? Navigation is not only navigating the browser URL, and also it is having for additional concepts of back, forward, or refresh. But get doesn't have that option, but both are same. Both are same. You can able to navigate the URL. Okay. Previous earlier, right? Driver.get is getting second time if you call right in the middle, it is throwing. Nowadays it is not because they implemented for even in the same browser, how many times you want to load your URL, that many times you can able to use it. In case if you don't want to use multiple times, you can able to use for driver.navigate.to also. Two will not make any problem for you. Okay, both are opening for a new browser and then it will do it. Okay, now even you can see for that as well the new URL direct. It will open in case if there is no browser. First driver.get is not loaded also, it will load that. Okay, whenever the browser is open, get driver.get to it will automatically load it that entire things. Okay, this is a one case. Okay, now navigate we discuss right. It will give you some commands. What exactly that commands it will work. We have for backward direction. Back is nothing but you can see right there are three options while in the browser. This one is a back, this one is a front, and this one is a refresh. What it will do? We already manually sorry, sorry. It will navigate for in the browser history for today. If you open what are the things you open for today, that current session, okay. If you close this window, this will be a closed. See, both are disabled. Previous it is enabled. Now it is disabled because that specific browser session you can able to say. Okay. If that particular session, if it is there something, then it will be navigated. How it will navigate? In the history part, if you go for inside this history, okay, in this history, it will navigate into one step back. If you open multiple time in the same history, it will go for second time. Okay. See, it is going back to history page like that. Going and forward direction, it will come back to front side. It will go for back side, which is a history first time opening time, and this option it will be refresh that entire page. Okay, these are the three options we can see now. Okay, now we open for Google first, second test automation practice. Now we are going to use for going back to Google page. For this we can write driver that back. Driver dot navigate dot back. Okay, it will navigate one from the history. Okay, again I'll use for a title. Okay, Then we can wait for some time. Then we can go ahead for forward direction. It will take the title again and it will provide you for the title. Okay. Now refresh is same place. It will refresh that entire page. Okay. If we say refresh and it will give you for the refresh time title. Okay. Now again I'm running this one. It's a small topic which is combined with the two things and I given to you. See, now it is going back to Google and I coming back to automation test practice. Okay, then it will close browser. See, like this we can able to get it. Okay, you need to just remember that in case if someone asks you in the interview perspective, what is the difference between Git and navigate.to? Means you can tell them Get is basically to use to open a used URL and wait until the page is fully loaded. Get.to also is similar to that only, but allow it to chaining with other commands like backward and forward and refresh commands also it is having. Okay, this is an additional feature for that. You can tell the same thing in an interview perspective. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.